Okay, ready. Now we are ready to assemble. Okay. If you see the mask, yeah, those are the mouth part. Okay. There's a little tiny hole, and you put the wing inside into the hole. Okay. All the way, push it all the way and keep it tight. Okay. And then there's a nose part, which is one of the most tricky. Can you show me inside? Okay. Inside, like this. Can you take out and then do it again? For the nose, take out and then do it again. 뺐다가 다시 한번 끼워봐 주세요. Take out. Okay. Okay, do it again. Okay, like that. Those are the one of the trickiest part. And then if you flip over, okay, those are the nose part. Yeah, this is the nose part, and yeah, this is the mouth part. Okay. Now everything is now ready for the second forehead part.